Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fetia. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 11. Girl, it's about time for a new upgrade, okay? I've been having this 7 for the longest. Actually, my friend gave this to me, so we finally got a new one. And we're gonna be unboxing, so let's dive in. I'm sorry if I look some type of way. It's currently 2:30 in the morning. So yeah, let's dive in. Hold up. I'm sleepy. But got the iPhone 11 in white because that's the only color they had available for the 64 gigabyte. So let's tear it open. It comes with a charger too. Is that a charger? Yo, hold on. Hey, are these AirPods? No, they're regular headphones. The wires. She was AirPods. I have the old charger. Comes with the old charger. I think this is the 2019 one. Oops, sorry. I think this is the 2019 one. Yep, it's the 2019. 2019. So let's power. Hey. Oh. Why did I take this off? I don't have a screen protector yet, so I should have kept it on. I have to be extra careful. I guess this is how you turn it on. Sorry. It's coming on. Hola. So in this video, I also want to address some stuff that I didn't talk about in my first video, which is what my channel is really about and what I'm going to be posting, right? So I accidentally cut out the part where I talked about my major and everything. So I'm a pre-med major, so you can see some pre-med vlogs, travel vlogs. Even though I don't go anywhere, we're gonna go somewhere. So you can see whenever I travel though, but I don't go anywhere. So travel vlogs, school vlogs. I can't wait to go back. We go back in, I think, summer, because I have some classes to take in summer. I have it's saying it may take a few minutes to activate, so while that's working or whatever, I'm gonna put my new SIM card in. So I'm gonna put the SIM card in. That's pretty cool. It's at the bottom, because the old iPhones, they have it at the top, like right here, the SIM card thing. I'm so tired. Ugh. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Is this right? Like this? I don't know. This stuff's so like loading, so yep, it's activating. Ooh. I got my own emoji. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and I went almost a week without a case or screen protector, but I finally got a screen protector and my case. So we're about to put it on right now. But, I'm about to like prep it. I have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So we're about to use that to and the dry wipe. Ooh. Put this on. This in the back. Put this on like this. Ooh, hold on, child. I think I put that on right. It's kind of crooked. Crooked? No. Okay, got it. Okay, it works. This is the screen protector. Ooh. Gotta peel this back. So I finally have my screen protector on. It got dirty because I was trying to put something else on it, but it was dirty. And this is my case. It says keep smiling queen. Because I am a queen. I waited a whole week just to get a case. Ain't that crazy? Better fit. It works, but got my case and the screen protector. So that's it for this video. So that is it for the iPhone 11 unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.